Good evening. I'm just standing out the back door of the house here. You can see virtually nothing on camera, I suppose. It's the 17th of December. It's about 6 o'clock in the evening, and we have had 2 weeks of really cold weather. Nighttime temperatures have dropped to -5, -6, -7, and in places like Castledurg and Kingsbridge, -9. I mean, the temperatures overnight are absolutely shocking. But there's a bonus, because for the temperatures to drop like this, you need no cloud cover. The heat is just escaping right up into the atmosphere, and because there's no cloud cover, the stars are exposed. And you know, as the night progresses, you can see so much more. There's a plane up there somewhere twinkling away, and I mean, this is just amazing what I'm seeing with the naked eye. This is Mars. I'm just going to zoom in on it very, very slowly and hope that the camera won't bounce about. And it does. You know, they talk about Mars being the red planet. It does have a red glow to it, or a pink glow. But if you want to identify stars in the night sky, you need an iPhone. And whenever our Ben comes up home, well, he has one of these iPhones. I haven't. I've got an Android. Listen to me talking about iPhones and Androids. You know, you'd think it was Star Wars or something. But he has an iPhone, and he goes on an app called Skyview Light, and it identifies the stars. And it's brilliant, because I know nothing about the stars, and I would love to know. I would love for somebody who is knowledgeable about the night sky to do their best to educate me. That might be an impossible task. Somebody who's got one of these fabulous telescopes. You see the wee pink glow there? Not good. This is Mars, the red planet. I'm going away from it now. I mean, you can't see what I can see. But there's another star above the house, and it is really bright. And there it is. And this is Jupiter. And our Ben identified it for me as well. And this is fabulous that you can see it so well in the night sky. Of course, if you live in the city, you're not going to see this. Well, you're not going to see it as well because of the light pollution. So you need darkness. Darkness on the edge of town. I digress. Sorry. So this is Jupiter, and I'm completely zoomed in now. Sorry about. Oh, this is a handheld camcorder I'm using. So I have my two hands wrapped around the video recorder, pointing straight at into the sky. So that's why it's bouncing about. So Jupiter and Mars, and at this time of night, there's a plane going across. I don't know whether you can see that. Aye, there it is. Or it could be a helicopter, but I suspect it's it's quite low. Let's see if I can go in on it. Don't know what it is. Plane, I would suspect. But this time of night, I don't even know what I was saying. Oh yes, I was talking about the moon. Apparently the moon is up behind the garage here somewhere, and it hasn't really risen yet.